Hi, my name is Emme.
Hi, my name is Seritta.
Hi, my name is Archie Franklin, and this is Getting Off to a Strong Start.
Don't be nervous.
This is your time.
But do show up prepared and treat your appointment like an important meeting.
If this is your first meeting with a new provider,
Or maybe the first time addressing your psoriatic disease.
Here are a few things I wish I had known to ask about in my early visits.
Are you comfortable treating psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis with today's updated methods?
what are the diseases related to psoriasis?
And how can I prevent their onset?
How do I screen effectively for psoriatic arthritis?
And what measures can I take to avoid it?
How do I learn about what is triggering flares?
Or what might worsen the disease?
Getting off to a strong start begins with doing your homework, and that homework is finding the doctor that is going to treat your psoriatic disease. That means doing some research, starting with your insurance plan, looking at your preferred provider list, going from your preferred provider list, resourcing those against the National Psoriasis Foundation's Find a Doctor, and check that doctor out to see if they do treat psoriasis. Some doctors are great at treating acne or treat other kinds of skin disease. You need a psoriasis specialist.
Politely let them know that the National Psoriasis Foundation has resources and connections to help them help their patients.
NPF can also help your provider connect to others.
Who are on the leading edge of treating psoriatic disease.
If this is your first time with a new provider after having other treatments, remember that they don't know your full story and don't be scared to share. It's important to fill them in on the treatment options you did or didn't like previously so they can make a new one for you going forward.
Most individuals have become advocates and wish they had spoken up sooner.
Use psoriasis.org to stay informed and connected.
Whenever I found NPF, I found a community of people that were like me, where at home, I didn't have that. The National Psoriasis Foundation is a network of millions of people living with psoriatic disease and an abundance of programs for people to connect on various platforms.
Above all, know that clear skin and healthy joints are possible.
Fostering positive relationships with your healthcare provider
Helps ensure better care for you and others like you living with psoriatic disease.
As a psoriasis patient for over 40 years, if there's one thing I could tell, whether it's a new psoriasis patient or someone that maybe has had the disease for a while, is get involved with the community. Become an advocate, not just when you're in the doctor's office and sharing with them your successes that you may have had. It's getting involved outside of the doctor's office. Volunteer with the National Psoriasis Foundation. Be part of a local chapter. Those things can really help you in improving your condition, but most importantly, when you become an advocate, you're helping others.
When you live with psoriatic disease, there is a lot of uncertainty.
But you are absolutely never alone.
The NPF community is here to support everyone that's affected.